Hi everyone and welcome to another video. Today we are about to be discussing how to get Deepwoken party hat. So let's just dive right into the process. So you can see we have the Deepwoken party hat and this is the hat that is equipment item under the head category, and it was obtained by joining during the Festival of Billion Souls mini event. So if you want to obtain it and you are simply you are looking for the obtainment process, what you can do is during the event you can get it from blacksmith in Isle of Vigils for one knowledge, and you can see it is going to be looking something like this. And yeah, so I hope this is going to be getting you guys the Deepwoken party hat, and you can also dye it. So from the inwards it is going to be looking a bit hollow, so if you want to dye it you can do that as well. If you have few various options for this one. So yeah, I hope this was pretty much it, and if you still have any type of questions or queries you can let us know in the comments below. I will try to get back to you as soon as possible, trying to fix your issue. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video guys. Stay tuned for more and see you guys in the next video.